What's up, guys, an everyday Canadian, and today we're going to make a homemade hot sauce. Well, my recipe on a hot sauce. So I picked up a few ingredients today and we're going to get started. I call this the mango habanero. We're going to do everything homemade. I'll get to the ingredients in a minute. So grab some nice habaneros, really nice. We got some mangoes, got to slice them up. Some cloves of garlic, some onions, some salt. We got sugar. Picked up some jars. We got olive oil. We got distilled white wine vinegar, or distilled white vinegar. I'm sorry. And picked up a blender today, so I have everything ready to make some hot sauce. So let's get started. Alright guys, so add your 6 habaneros to the blender. Add 2 cloves of garlic. Add half a cup of white onions. Alright guys, now add 1 cup, which is just 1 mango, of your mango. Next, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add a splash of olive oil. Now add 1 cup of vinegar. Now blend. So over a medium heat pan, we're going to add our sauce. And we're just going to let that simmer for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. We'll pick this back up. Alright guys, so it simmered down, reduced a lot. We already tried it. It is perfect. It's got the right amount of heat. It's sweet. It's perfect. So once it's cooled down a little bit, but still hot, put inside your mason jar. It's going to make a perfect seal. This will give you at least a couple years. In a nice dark spot to keep it, to preserve it. If you do open it up and try it, it's got about 6 months to 8 months fridge life. So we're going to do that right now. Alright guys, our hot sauce is done. We just made mango habanero. This stuff, it will thicken up. It's a little runny right now, so just let it sit, cool down. Over time it will thicken up. So now that our sauce is done, we're left with a little bit. I thought I would do like a little hot sauce review at the end, trying my own hot sauce. I suggest you guys go out and try this right now. It's really good. I've made stuff like this in the past. It's an overdue video. It should have been done a long time ago. So grab a spoon. We're going to try some. It's hot. It's instant. It's sweet, you get a little bit of the salt, the vinegar, and the habanero is really hot. So it's a good hot sauce, but it's actually full of flavor, but as you know, habanero is still pretty hot. But go out and try this. I'll leave a recipe in the description below. Follow me on social media, Facebook and Twitter. Give this video a big like, guys, and share it. I'm going to be doing more videos like this in the future. So yeah, until next time, guys, take care.